Family members. The word for family in Spanish is familia. In Spanish, parents is padres. Father is padre. Mother is madre. The informal word for parents is papás. The word for dad is papá. The word for mom is mamá. The word for married couple is esposos. The word for husband is esposo. The word for wife is esposa. The word for children, as in sons and daughters, is hijos. The word for sons is hijos. The word for daughters is hijas. The word for son is hijo. The word for daughter is hija. The word for grandparents is abuelos. The word for grandfather is abuelo. The word for grandmother is abuela. The word for grandchildren is nietos. The word for grandsons is nietos. The word for granddaughters is nietas. The word for grandson is nieto. The word for granddaughter is nieta. The word for siblings is hermanos. The word for brothers is hermanos. The word for sisters is hermanas. The word for brother is hermano. The word for sister is hermana. The word for uncles and aunts is tíos. The word for uncles is tíos. The word for aunts is tías. The word for uncle is tío. The word for aunt is tía. The word for nieces and nephews is sobrinos. The word for nephews is sobrinos. The word for nieces is sobrinas. The word for nephew is sobrino. The word for niece is sobrina. The word for cousins is primos. The word for male cousins is primos. The word for female cousins is primas. The word for male cousin is primo. The word for female cousin is prima. Ellos son mis padres. They are my parents. José es mi hermano. José is my brother. Ella es la hermana de Carlos. She is Carlos's sister. Ana es la nieta de Julio. Ana is Julio's granddaughter. Ellas son mis hermanas. They are my sisters. Yo soy el primo de Micaela. I am Micaela's cousin. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on family member names. In this lesson, we covered vocabulary like tío, primos, hermana, and padres, and used them in short phrases to help reinforce your understanding. Be sure to keep practicing. Read, write, and speak these words aloud to really lock them in. Don't forget to review the written material provided with this lesson to support your learning. When you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next lesson video.